Day 9 of doing TMUA questions. Okay, it is given that y equals 1 plus 2 cos x times cos 2x. The complete set of values of x for which y is negative is one of these ranges. So what are the conditions for an expression made of a product to be negative? It is that exactly one of the components is negative, because if they're both positive, the entire thing is going to be positive, and if they're both negative, the negatives are going to cancel out and we're going to get a positive. So let's look at when each part is positive and when each part is negative. First, let's focus on 1 plus 2. Let's sketch that out, keeping in mind that we need to do the range from 0 to pi. So at 0, it's going to be 3. At pi over 2, cos x is going to be 0, so y is going to be 1. And at pi, cos x is going to be minus 1, so y is going to be minus 1. That means if we sketch it out, we get a clear point where it becomes negative. Let's work that out. 1 plus 2 cos x is equal to 0. So we get cos x equals minus a half, and x is going to be 2 pi over 3. So now we know the ranges for which the first part of the product is going to be positive and negative. So from 0 to 2 pi over 3, it's going to be positive, and from 2 pi over 3 to pi, it's going to be negative. Okay, now let's work on cos 2x. Cos 2x is going to start off at 1, and then it's going to go to 0, then minus 1, then 0, then 1 again. Because we're working in the range from 0 to pi, it's going to do a full cycle, because it's cos 2x. Okay, that means we have another range. So cos 2x is going to be positive from 0 to pi over 4. It is going to be negative from pi over 4 to 3 pi over 4. And it is going to be positive from 3 pi over 4 to pi. We have our ranges. Now let's work out where exactly one of them is negative. So first of all, from pi over 4 to 2 pi over 3, cos 2x is negative and 1 plus 2 cos x is positive. Then, above 3 pi over 4, we have cos 2x being positive and 1 plus 2 cos x is negative. So for either of these ranges, the entire product is going to be negative. Looking at our options, that means that our answer is D.